Hello, my name is Elisabeth Douce. I'm the Global Regulatory Lead for Natural Plant Protection, the UPL Biosolutions branch. NPP is a UPL Open Ag global brand dedicated to biosolutions. As all brands, we act with a single mindset and culture and a shared belief in advancing sustainable growth for all. I'm going to speak about new emerging areas for biocontrol and biostimulants on a global regulatory point of view. First of all, I would like to present you our NPP Biosolution portfolio, manufacturing sites and labs. Then we will deal with regulations for biocontrol, highlighting recent progress, more specifically about microbial cell-free extracts. Finally, we will discuss about fertilizer regulations, focusing on the EU harmonized regulation and the concept of product function categories. NPP ranks number 1 globally in biosolutions with 9 manufacturing sites and 5 R&D labs worldwide. NPP manufacturing sites are located in India, France, Mexico and South Africa. R&D labs are located in India, France, Mexico, South Africa, and in the USA. 7 experimental centers allow us to test our solutions in the field from early-stage projects. Here are some pictures of our manufacturing facilities and of our new brand research center in Mexico that opened last November. NPP product range covers all biosolutions. It consists in biocontrol, bionematicide, bioinsecticides, including bioacaricide and biogrubicide, as well as biofungicides. It also consists in biostimulants, nutrition, and inoculants. A huge diversity of product types is present in our portfolio, from botanicals to microbials, natural extracts, purified or not, as well as minerals, humic and fulvic acid. Let's consider biocontrol regulatory topic. Within biocontrol, 3 categories are usually regulated as plant protection products: microbial, pheromones, and natural extracts. Brazil has legislation for microbiological products since 2006, and last year, in 2023 revision, the Brazilian government added the definition and requirements for registration of products based on inactivated microorganisms. Brazil now considers living but also inactivated microorganisms with specific data requirements. In the USA, microbial pesticide category also covers both living and inactivated cells. In the EU, microbial data requirements are designed for living-based microorganisms. Inactivated microorganisms go under natural extracts, which fall under general requirements. In India, under the Insecticide Act, only living microorganisms are considered. The Brazilian case is quite interesting. Indeed, Brazil introduced a simplified registration procedure for microbiological products, the Joint Ordinance of 2023. The registration of technical products is not required. Only the formulated product requires registration. In total, it lasts around 10 to 12 months from dossier submission till product registration. This ordinance covers both living and cell-free microorganisms. This last category corresponds to fermentation broth, where microorganisms have been inactivated intentionally by the manufacturer. Benefits are multiple. The natural complex mixture brings the required efficacy, it solves stability issues and brings longer shelf life. Let's discover fertilizer and biostimulant regulatory topic. Fertilizer regulations are very fragmented over the globe. Each single country raised specific rules, most often covering organic, organomineral, and inorganic fertilizers. Subcategories are defined with parameters that are usually fixed such as the minimum amount for fertilizer element and organic carbon content. For fertilizer, many countries offer a direct go-to-market as far as the product complies with existing categories. In Brazil, the biostimulant effect of microorganism-based product is covered by the new joint 2023 ordinance for plant protection products, not by fertilizer legislation. Biostimulant registration implies dossier evaluation by authorities, as in EU, South Africa and India. Let's check EU situation in more details. In the EU, the journey to harmonize regulation covering all types of fertilizers, including biostimulants, took more than 10 years. Regulation 2019-1009, published in 2019, became applicable in July 2022. Fertilizing product definition is very broad, with purpose of providing plants or mushrooms with nutrients or improving their nutrition efficiency. It's based on product function categories and component material categories. The EU fertilizing products correspond to a fertilizing product which is CE marked when made available on the market. The CE marking is applicable in all the 27 member states. 7 product function categories covers all possible functions related to plant nutrition and nutrition efficiency improvement. The PFCs have been defined as follows. Product function categories are described into 7 categories, the last offering the possibility to mix other PFC together. Within fertilizer, the organomineral category also gives the possibility to mix inorganic fertilizer, like NPK, and organic carbon-based components of biological origin. Soil improvers can be either organic or inorganic. Their function is to maintain, improve or protect the physical or chemical properties, the structure or the biological activity of the soil. In the field of biocontrol, regulatory rules are more advanced for microbial-based products than for natural extracts. Brazil offers a complete framework for both living and inactivated microorganisms. In the field of fertilizers, most of the countries cover 3 types: organic, organomineral, and inorganic fertilizers. The EU concept of product function categories, PFCs, bring a much broader offer with a total of 7 PFCs, including organic, organomineral, and inorganic fertilizers, but also organic and inorganic soil improvers, as well as plant biostimulants. It gives the possibility to mix several PFCs. Combination across categories open more possibilities for agriculture, such as multi-spectrum use, combined tools for farmers. This is how we see the future of biocontrol and fertilizer and biostimulants. Thanks for your attention. Please forward any question either to me or my colleague Ravi. You can see our email address in the slide. Thanks a lot. Bye.